Hello, this will be my last video before my little hiatus. So today's topic will be custom data types in Hadoop. So without further ado, let us begin. As you can see, we have our data set here. We have the first name and last name of the person along with the score they got on a test. Each person could have taken the test multiple times, and some people have the same first name, some people have the same last name. Our goal here is to create a Hadoop data type, a writable comparable key that can store the entire name, both first and last name. So anyways, I already uploaded this file onto the HDFS, and this time I've already written out all the files and all the classes beforehand, along with the scripts and the POM. So we'll use the same assembly.xml file to build our program like we did in the last video. Also, we will add the following dependencies for Hadoop into our pom.xml file. So here's our name class to store the first and last name of the person taking the test. As you can see, we have to implement the writable comparable interface. So here we have the methods that you must implement for the writable comparable interface. The read date fields, write data. It's really important to implement the compare to method. If you incorrectly implement this and try to run the MapReduce program, it will end up saying there's an error and that the initialization of all data collectors failed. So here we have the mapper class for this MapReduce task. The purpose of this MapReduce task is to find the average score based on all the tests each person has taken. Okay, so here we have the code for the reducer class. One thing you must always be sure to do is that the output of the mapper class must always equal the data types of the input for the reducer class. So here's the code for the class that actually runs the MapReduce job. I implemented the tool interface. So as you can see, for the map output key class, we use the name.class, which is the custom class that we defined on our own. Okay, so now we'll get to building this application. First, we go to our workspace. Our project is called the MapReduce. Go to that directory. Now, just type maven assembly :assembly, like we did in the last video. Okay, so now that the building is complete, we will go to the target directory and look at our built runnable app. As you can see, we have 4 scripts this time as opposed to 2 from the previous time. I will leave a link in the description below to each of the 4 scripts. Okay, so now we will run the MapReduce program on the data we specified with the following command. Okay, so this MapReduce job is done running. Let's take a look at it on the HDFS directory. As you can see, our initial 30 records were reduced down to just 13 records, with each distinct person having their average score displayed.